Okay. And what I'm going to cover today is, by the end of today's presentation and sharing, okay, first thing here, you're going to understand a complete framework to analyze gold and, of course, trade it. Okay, if you have some experience in the market, most of the time the method people will use is just purely technical analysis, looking at the charts, right? It's possible to do that, but today I want to give you more than just technical, okay? And you will have what we call a complete and comprehensive understanding on how you can approach this market called gold. Okay, and of course, why now is actually the best time to be focusing on it. Now, personally, I do a lot of trading and also investing. Okay, so I trade a lot in the currency market, FX, okay, but investing is more on the US stock. But I seldom look at gold, okay, but this year itself, I think that's where the opportunity really starts, and that's where even if I don't actively trade gold this year starting, is something that we all definitely would want to look at it, okay, because this is something which I call once in a lifetime opportunity, okay, where, well, the numbers looks a bit wow, right? 10x or even more than that is possible. Okay, and of course, if today you start to look into the crypto space, there is even more opportunities. You can actually 10x, 15x, 20x your potential investment. But of course, there's risk involved, right? So you need to understand all this. Okay, so today we're of course not going to diverse too much into other asset classes. We're going to focus on gold.